Welcome class to the 7th chapter of Geography, class 7th, Human Environment, Settlement, Transport and Communication. In this chapter we will study about different modes of transport and communication and the different types of settlements. Site. The place where a building or a settlement develops is called site. The favorable conditions, natural conditions for selecting the site is good or moderate temperature. That is, there would be no too much hot or too much cold. Availability of potable water. Potable water is the water which is safe to drink. Fertile land, which is good for the agriculture, and suitable land or topography on which we can build a building. Human settlement. Settlements are the places where people built their homes. Early humans were settled on trees and caves. Later they settled along with the riverside with fertile land and sufficient water available around the year. The following civilizations developed along with river valley. Indus Valley civilization, Indus River in India. Mesopotamia along Tigris River, the Nile or Egyptian civilization along Nile River, Chinese civilization along Yellow River. There are two types of settlements, temporary or permanent. Permanent has another two types, rural and urban settlement. Rural settlement has compact two types, temporary or permanent. Permanent has two type, rural and urban. Urban has another two type, compact and scattered. And the urban settlement are town or small urban settlements. Temporary settlement, the settlement which is occupied for a short time called temporary settlement. For example, settlement in deep forest, hot and cold deserts and mountains. They practice hunting, gathering, shifting, cultivation and transhumance. Transhumance means the human which move from one place to another according to the natural conditions. Here, transhumance, special seasonal movement of people who rear animals and move to other locations in search of new locations. Permanent settlements are the settlements in which people build homes to stay permanently. They grow crops in villages and do some kinds of jobs in the city. The permanent settlement has two types, rural settlement and urban settlement. Rural settlements are the villages where people engaged in the activities like agriculture, fishing, foresting, craft works and trading. In rural areas, people built their house as suitable for local climatic conditions, such as in heavy rainfall, the houses with slanting roof. In waterlogging areas, the houses constructed on raised platform, and in hot climate, the thick mud-walled houses are made. Rural settlement can be of two types, compact and scattered. Compact settlement is densely built area of dwelling. Densely means closest to the another. They are closest to each other. Northern Indian plains are the example of compact settlements. Scattered settlements are the place extensive area. They scattered means the houses have spaces. One house and the second house, they have spaces between them. These type of dwelling are found in the mountainous regions, desert regions, dense forest regions, extreme climate or topographically regions. Urban settlement, the urban people engaged in manufacturing, trading and service sectors. The problems in the cities which people have or face: traffic and congestion, unhygienic conditions, shortage of power and water supply, slums areas, shortage of houses, and pollution such as air, water, noise, etc. Transport is the mean by which people and goods move around the world. Ancient times, the people used to walk, and animals are the only way of transport. In India, the animals are donkey, buffalo, camel. South America, the llamas, and in the Tibet, yaks. Later invention of wheel added speed over the time when an aeroplane are developed and modern means of transport saves time and energy. There are four major means of transport: roadways, railways, waterways, and airways. Roadways, it is commonly used means of transport, especially for short distances. They can be metalled, means pakka, and unmetalled, means kacha. Manali Leh Highway is one of the highest roadways in the world. Subways and underpath roads built underground. The flyover built on a raised structure. A golden quadrilateral connects four cities: Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata. After joining these four, we will have the shape of quadrilateral. That's why it is known as quadrilateral and golden quadrilateral, because these four cities are important cities. Railways, it carries heavy goods and people over long distances quickly and cheaply. The invention of steam engine helps in speedy development in the industrial revolution. Later, diesel and electric engines replace steam engines. Trans-Siberian railways are the longest railway system in Russia that runs from St. Petersburg in Western Asia to Vladivostok in Eastern Russia. Waterways, it is the cheapest for carrying heavy and bulky goods over long distances. It has two types: inland waterways and sea routes. Inland waterways in such as Ganga Brahmaputra River, Great Lakes in North America, and Niles in Africa. Sea route Sea routes and ocean routes are the routes which are used for the carrying heavy goods from one continent to another continent. And there in the continent there are presence of seaport is used to transfer goods from one place to another. Airways, this is the fastest way of transport in modern times. It is also the most expensive due to high fuels cost. Air traffic is adversely affected by the bad weather and fog. The helicopter is extremely useful in most inaccessible locations such as mountains, hilly areas. Communication. Communication is the process of conveying a message to the others. The mediums are newspaper, radio, television, satellites, internet, telephone communication through cellular phone. Newspaper, radio, and television, these three are also known as mass media. Newspaper is, as I told you, also called mass media because it communicated with a large number of people. Satellite is the faster and secure way of communication. It helps in exploring, such as oil exploration, survey of forest, disaster warning, military communication. Internet used, everybody knows about internet used to book tickets, send electronic mails, and internet is useful to connected people from one place to another, the farthest place. You can connect to the your relative, your friend, anybody through internet. There are many apps and applications which is useful to connect to your partners. Exercise, four means of transport: roadways, railways, waterways, and airways. What do you understand by set term settlement? Settlement is the place where people build homes and live there. Activities practiced by rural people: agriculture, poultry, livestock, mining, fishing, crafts work, etc. Two merits of railways. It is cheapest and easy to transport bulky on or heavy goods over long distances by railways. Communication is the process of conveying message to another location. What is mass media? It is the communication with a large masses, and one of the example is newspaper. So we have completed our chapter 7 of class 7th geography. Thank you, class.